How to enable voice chat in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can enable voice chat in Roblox. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is open up your Roblox. So you can open it up in your web browser or the app itself. After you do that, you will need to head over to your settings. So you'll find your settings on the top right here, the gear icon, tap on it. Then select settings right here, and then you should be on your settings. So let the settings load, and there we go. Now the first thing that you'll need to do here is head over to privacy and content restrictions. After you're here, you can see different options. You'll need to head over to communication. So head over there. After you press communications, you should find an option that says voice chat. If you don't see it, that might be due to your parental restrictions or if your account is not verified yet. So if your account is not verified yet, you will need to verify, and then you'll get the option right here to enable your voice chat. Now I'll show you how you can verify your account as well. Head over to account info right here, and after you do that, here you will need to input your phone number. So you will need to do that as well, and after that you will need to use your head over to this check your age to get more features option and continue with a selfie or an ID. Just continue with either one of those, and then you will need to follow the prompts, and after you're verified, you can then head over to the privacy and content as we did before, head over to communications, and then get your voice chat. And that's basically it. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.